it's summertime round 09. On the corner real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was brand.
Well, welcome family members. Welcome Money Squad and future Money Squad members to Emoneyshoes channel. I'd like to thank everyone for rocking with me as we make this move or drive to 2K. Tell a family member or friend, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment. I tend to get back to everybody comment within 48 hours because you took your time to leave a comment and rock with me, and I feel it's only fair to respond to you. Now some other things, also trying to get my sis 313 Retro Queen at 500. She's gonna do a giveaway. Got the homie PM Kick. He's gonna do his giveaway to 1K. So go sub up to them. I also have that giveaway. I'll put the link down below so you can go check that out. I did do it on feet of the bread for those who, yes, it is a work in progress. I also got the merch stuff, got Just Trap Brands. I put the code in the description. You got SNOOCHS Custom, you need customized merchandise. You also have Money Run clothing. Use that code, do what you like, to get 20% off that order. Also, like to wish a early happy Mother's Day out to all the mothers out in the world. No, Mother's Day is coming up, so everybody got a lot going on. And probably by the time this video drops, everybody will be out to those twists or pounders or women's, whoever can fit them. The madness will be for that. And of course, the Travis Scott ones on Friday. Good luck to everyone out there who put in for rivals and that. For me, I don't care about the shoe. I'm just gonna let you right now. I'm gonna flip that joker to get something that I actually want. Something like the DB foams or something like that. Maybe a couple pair of shoes. I ain't too proud to let you know what I'm gonna do. I will be reseller activated mode if I get them. You feel me? Now, on to this shoe. This is not a personal pair, but it's a household pair. So anything in the house, I am gonna review it. Please believe me. Got this from the Navy Exchange. The retail suggested retail price is 90 of them things. I think on basis like $70. Size 9, Air Jordan 1 low. Fisher colorway sail, gem red, university gold. Now for those of you who don't like one low, please keep that same energy now. Cause y'all heard there's been rumors for those shattered backboard ones to come out. So don't be saying nah, but they shattered. You either like them or you love them. Don't be switching it all up on me. But as you can see, got that black box, this boring jump man. You got your sticker-ricker right there, your 23 paper. And you know how I always roll. I always like to do the left shoe. And for the one time, for the 205, you know what it is. As we go get that shot, these guys always like to make noise when I'm doing my video, but that's all right. It adds character to the video. Look at that, you got that yellow. Nice. The sun hitting that yellow. Got that Nike, the trademark R. You see, you got the toe box. Whatever it is, I don't know if it's suede. If it is some bad suede, it is hard as a mother. But okay. Then right here as well. Then on this one, you got your 2-3. You got your nylon. You got your stitched in red Jumpman. Coming around on the side, you got your swoosh. This this stitching, you can see it just past it there. Also on the back, you got your etched in Air Jordan on the back. The stitching, not too bad. I mean, you can do some things with this shoe. Don't get me wrong, it just depends, different stroke for different folks. On the media side, pretty much the same thing. Inside, nothing but your red Jumpman. You take out your shoe tree, like so. See the shoe tree, 8.5 to 10. Production date on this joint. And this one actually got a QR code in it, believe it or not. See that QR code? I did a demonstration on that for the Phantom 1 to let you know how that works. Make sure your pair is legit. So you got 11, 14, 18 to 1, 12, 19. So that's within this year, the production of the shoe. And generally, the other shoes will have something else. I know both of them got 23. And actually, look at that inside. We got extra laces, red laces, which would be dope. That'll be adding some little extra hits to the shoe. So, as I always do, once I get everything situated, what do y'all think after looking at this shoe? Nothing. I mean, the price point for Lowe's, I give it about a 4 out of 5. I get it a 4 out of 5. Price point not bad. If you want some Jordan, you know how to rock it. It'd be good. You can rock it for the summer, right? Fresh kick, Jordans. What do you guys think? Leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know how you feel about these shoes. Is it a pass or no look pass, or is it a go on this shoe? So like I said, don't forget to hit a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos. Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Deuces.